everyone, welcome back to the Retro Engine. This time we're going to be looking at Moritz The Striker, a new game from Sebastian and his team. This time including Rich Tufty Hollins, who did the music, which I shall play for you now. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I've done a couple of separate videos with the music, just the music, which I'll put a link to in the description, plus the download location so you can get the game straight away. Yeah, music by Rich Hollins, graphics by Lobo, so it's typical Moritz graphics, really colourful, really vibrant, to be honest. They've got their own kind of brand, for want of a better name. In the download you also get a comic of Moritz The Striker and a couple of other files. One of them is a text file which gives you the instructions, and it also gives you like credits and tips on the game. So yeah, pretty good package. So I think without further ado we shall play. So I'll do 2 for Kempston, and it's alright, that was quick. Didn't actually have the joystick in my hand. Right, so yeah, so in essence each of the levels you need to sometimes blow up walls. You have to push plungers to get the ball, so you got access to the ball, like in the screen top right hand corner. Once you got the ball, you have to do something else like kick the ball at the flag to get the flag down, and then you will be able to shoot for the goal. So primarily each of the levels is get the ball, shoot into the goal, score a goal. Okay, so let's go. Oh, you'll notice the music in the background as well, very Manic Minor-ish. I'm sure you recognise the tune as well. Okay, so we'll dodge the, I don't know, is it hooligan? A heady hooligan? Running hammock on the pitch. Looks like it, doesn't it? So there you can see the goalie's there, blocking the goal. And then we've got a yellow biscuit man running along. He looks quite angry. And then the referee. So I just shot the ball and got rid of the goalie by bringing the flag down. So now I can have a breather. But yeah, look at those graphics, and like Moritz is brilliant. Shoots the ball, got the kicking motion. So okay, so to complete this we shoot for the goal and we score. And then Moritz does a bit of a boogie because he's quite happy. Level 2. So similar thing. It's fun actually trying to work out what the movement is, where you need to go, what time, the timings to get to the certain part. So here I struggled quite a lot. The reason being is I didn't know you could get onto that AGD. There, I just thought that was like background. So here we can jump on that, jump on there, jump to the plunger. Now that's blown up the top of the wall so that we can get the ball in the bottom left hand corner. And also you'll just notice, obviously the switch there, that's what we shoot the ball at in a minute. But you'll see next to it is like a cat in a hat, is it? Or has he got a cigarette in his mouth? Can't really tell, I'm not sure who that is, but within the game there's a lot of people, a lot of cameos by people or imagery that you might recognise. So it's fun trying to pick those out. So let's just get over the crazy biscuit. Right, so we pick the ball up. See, look, running onto the pitch, that blue man, seen that? He's just going crazy, man. Oh, that was a bit of a mistake. So yeah, each level resets as well, so you start from the beginning, which isn't too much of a hassle. It's because I'm talking, I'm trying to do 2 things at the same time. That never works, does it, lads? So, okay, so let's get the ball again. There we go, done the switch. So now we just got the referee to get past, the purple referee. I mean, look at him with his whistle in his mouth. Thinks he owns the pitch, doesn't he? And we shoot, and he scores. Another boogie. Oh, and at the bottom you'll notice there's yellow cards, so I've died once, so I've got one yellow card. If you get 8 of those, then a red card and you're off. Oh, that was a scissor mistake, wasn't it? So shoot the ball, turn the switch. Oh. So timing. It's probably one of my favourite levels actually, because it does get you thinking. See, look. Do the switch. See, the scissors are down there, and near the goal. I don't go down there. He's going to chop me bits off, probably. So just wait for that to clear. Now let's see if. No. So I don't know if they're moving in relation to where Moritz is, or whether they are just random, not random, or on a path. I don't know. But yeah, I do like this one. Go up, yeah. Don't go down. Oh. And he runs in for the goal, and he turns and he scores. Okay, so we've got 3 yellows so far. Not being too bad, so to speak. So now we've got. I should know that bloke in the top left is, but I don't. Is he actually the guy from Liverpool Football Club? See, I don't really follow them, so I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, could well be. Right, so get the plunger. So you see we get the ball, but there's a green bit of wall there, so we can't actually get the ball yet. Oh, no, that was chaotic. No. We have to go over the massive grumpy heads. No. See, the fun is learning how close you can be and what's the jump angle and that kind of thing. Oh, look at that, right close up. Got the plunger, so we've hit the plunger, moved the goalie's active now. So we have to go back over the heads. Yeah, I love these graphics. I'm not sure, but is that the crowd at the bottom? They look like little faces and seats. because they're off centre. That threw me. Right. Oof, yes, that's just a whisker away. Right, so this is not, I can go further than that. One more. Yes, right. Groovy. Oh, yes, and that just shows you how close you can get to the baddies. So, right. But not that close. So, right. Oh. Come on, Moritz, we want to get you into Liverpool Football Club. Ah, game over. Yeah, I really like that game. Graphics are crisp, colours are crisp, sounds amazing. Yeah, look, check out those other two videos if you can, which show Rich's music. The loading music, which comes up halfway through loading, which is You'll Never Walk Again, and then the Match of the Day music from the title. Yeah, both blinding bits of music. So, okay, hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, download it. Spread the word as well on the game. I don't think the game is being pushed as much as it could, especially by the fans. So if you like it, then show your appreciation. Okay, brilliant. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you want, and see you next time.